everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana and welcome to another video. आज का जो video होने वाला है, it's gonna be my monthly favorites and everything that I've been currently loving and currently using, all the new beauty and skincare finds that I discovered, and I thought I'm gonna share it with you guys because we do this every month where I share my favorite products with you all. So before I get into the video, let me tell you कि जितने भी products है ये सारे products Amazon से हैं and सब कुछ मैं description box में link कर दूंगी. सारे जो भी लिंक्स होंगे वो कमेंट्स में भी पिन होंगे, सो मेक श्योर करना कि आप उसे चेक कर लो. Amazon पे कुछ अमेजिंग ऑफर्स भी चल रहे हैं, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक दिस आउट. एंड आज मेरे पास लिटरली इट्स ओनली स्किन केयर एंड मेकअप. आई डोंट हैव एनी क्लोथिंग. यूजुअली मेरे फेवरेट्स में क्लोथिंग भी होता है, बट दिस टाइम आई वेंट गागा ओवर सम न्यू स्किन केयर एंड मेकअप. सो इट्स जस्ट दैट एंड आई होप यू गाइस फाइंड दिस हेल्पफुल. सो या, विदाउट एनी फर्दर ado, let's get into it. Okay, let's start with skincare because I have more of skincare today than makeup. And the first product that I've got is this, which is by Face Shop. It's the Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Toner. I love this toner. So I have been using toners recently only. मैं इसके पहले काफ़ी यूज़ करती थी. I used to use a Nivea one, but then I discontinued it because इसमें alcohol content बहुत ज़्यादा होता था, and after a point it made my face very dry. So मैंने lately, like within 2 weeks back only, मैंने ये वापस यूज करना चालू करा है. So I thought I wanted to go for something which was moisturizing enough, and I discovered this one by Face Shop. Now this was a little expensive for a toner. I'll make sure I mention the prices over here, but the consistency it gives is a little thick compared to all the other toners available in the market. It literally feels like you're putting a moisturizer, but it's so hydrating and gives like an instant glow, जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So this is the first product that I got, and I just love using it. मैंने last month एक Face Shop का body mist लिया था, and that was the first product I ever got from Face Shop. उसके बाद I was like, I want to try more of their products, so I went ahead with the toner, and I must say I am very impressed, and I'm definitely gonna repurchase it जब ये खत्म भी होगा. अभी तो it's very new, so obviously it's not even halfway empty, but it's gonna be empty very soon because I'm using this every day and I'm just loving using this. Next up, I restocked on my favorite serum, and I'm talking about the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. ये आपने मेरे हॉल्स में पहले भी देखा होगा because this has been a quite time, and I just repurchased this again because मेरा वाला खत्म हो चुका था. Although I did my skin care without the hyaluronic acid for a month, but I do feel ki it does a lot except hydration, and I'm just okay with it. I like putting that one extra layer on my face, so I went ahead and bought this L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And I think hyaluronic acid serum is that one serum that usually works out for all skin types. So if you just want hydration this summer for your skin, I think this is one product you can start with. Here's the price for this one, and I think this is quite affordable because it lasts me good 2 to 3 months aram se for the price. So it's coming down to like 150 rupees a month, which I think is pretty good. So yeah, that's the next item that I got. Okay, I got this shower cream, which is basically a body wash by Body Shop. Now I have not used Body Shop के products except the mist जो मैंने आपको बताया मैंने last month ली थी. So Body Shop, Face Shop, all these brands are very new to me. I haven't tried these पहले, but currently when I've started using this, I get the hype that they have, and I want to try this body wash specifically. Now it's the almond milk body wash, which is perfect for dry and sensitive skin. I have a very sensitive skin. If you don't know, I also have eczema on my legs, so I like using shower gels which don't have a lot of bullshit, and this one is one of those clean products. So yeah, I recently got it. It smells divine. I wish मैं आपको कैमरे पे इसको smell कर पाती, but it just smells so good. It literally smells like a shampoo. अगर आपको, how do I give you that smell? L'Oreal के अगर आपको shampoo की smell पता होगी तो exactly वैसा smell कर रहा है, but it's just so well fragranted and not like overly fragranted also that I don't want to use it. So this is the next item I got. Here's the pricing of this one. I would say the quantity is little less for the price because it's just 250 ml, but I think it's okay to splurge on skincare once in a while like I do. So this is the next item that I got. Next up, I got a makeup remover which is not from Garnier because I have been using the Garnier Micellar Water since forever now, and if you go ask me or tell me my go-to makeup remover, it's gonna be the Garnier one. But I was bored of that and I did not feel like reusing the cotton pads because I use a reusable cotton pads. I don't use new cotton pads every time. तो वो cloth type होता है and you have to wash it every time after you use it. So I thought I was very done with it and I was becoming lazy, so I wanted an alternative and I did not want to use cleansing balm, that was for sure. Because I do have plum wala, but cleansing balm से क्या होता है मेरी skin क्योंकि sensitive है and my T-zone is oily, so it takes me some time to get used to it and like sometimes the residue is just too much for me. So I discovered this and it's a cleansing oil by Face Shop. It's a rice water bright cleansing oil and oh my god guys, this product is a game changer. I'll tell you why, because once you start using it, you're not going to back to any other cleanser, be it micellar water, be it cleansing balm. I mean, they're good when you're traveling or something, but this too good of a product. So what you have to do, how you have to use it, basically जिस मैंने अभी मेकअप लगा रखा है, I'm gonna take it on my hands as a regular oil जितना quantity आप लेते हो and then just massage it onto your skin. आपका makeup इतना magically निकल आएगा, you don't have to force anything on your face and it's just one of those products जो मैं सजेस्ट करूंगी कि कभी आपने अगर ट्राई नहीं करा, बिकॉज दिस इज माई फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राइंग अ क्लेंजिंग ऑयल एंड आई एम सुपर इम्प्रेस्ड. तो अगर आपने कभी ट्राई नहीं करा, यू हैव टू ट्राई दिस एंड ट्रस्ट मी, you will thank me for this recommendation. It's expensive, although here's the pricing of this one, but knowing कि Face Shop के products expensive होते हैं, I mean I can't expect it in like 100 rupees, so it's okay. It's just 150 ml, but I think this much quantity, if I'm using makeup daily also, will last me about a month and a half. So if you do have the money to splurge, this is the next product that you can splurge on and it's just brilliant. Next up we have another skincare product and it's a viral product because I ended up buying the Laneige lip balm. Now busting the myth, it doesn't do anything extraordinary. मैंने इसीलिए लिया था because it was so hyped and I've seen all the influencers, celebrities, everyone using it and I thought I'm gonna give it a try. But to my assumption, मेरा पहले से था माइंड में कि यार ऐसा क्या लिप बाम में कि आप 700-800 रुपए एक लिप बाम के ले रहे हो. It doesn't do anything great. I have the Aqualogica lip balms that I've been using since forever and they are exactly a dupe of this one. It's just I got a variant जो Aqualogica में नहीं आता है, which is the grape variant. So I got Laneige का grape variant. But except the taste and the smell, the lip balm का texture is exactly like Aqualogica. It provides a basic hydration जो आपका शायद से petroleum jelly भी कर दे. So I think it's an overhyped product. So it's definitely in this monthly favorites, but it's not a favorite. I just want to tell you guys कि please इसमें पैसे मत waste करना when you can get the same thing through the Aqualogica products in like less of the price. आपको इसके price में literally 2 से 3 Aqualogica के products आ जाएंगे, the lip balm variations, and they are brilliant as well. So just because it's a Korean skincare brand या बाहर का brand है, don't splurge on it and definitely save your money on this one. I splurged it. I'm making sure कि आप ना करो. And texture wise, it's pretty okay. I mean, if you see the texture, it's pretty okay how regular lip balms are. Nothing extraordinary. I just love the taste because it is like grape flavor. बचपन में एक टॉफी आती थी इस flavor की, and that's all. Next up, I got 2 lip glosses. Now I'm a glossy lip girl. I love using lip glosses. So the first one that I've got is by Makeup Revolution. It's the Shimmer Bomb Lip Gloss with vitamin E, and I got this in the shade Glimmer Nude. Now I love this because there are very few lip glosses which still do that shimmer in their lip glosses. I mean they all provide glossy lips, but जो एक वो after residue नहीं होता थोड़ा सा shimmer का, वो बहुत ही rare glosses में मिलता है and this one does that. So let me just try it for you guys. मैं already try कर चुकी हूँ, so it's not new for me, but I love this one. Let me show you how it looks. So it is a very natural color. इसका नाम ही है nude and I wanted something natural only, so how it looks. I love the shimmer. It's so natural and so pretty. So yeah, this has to be one of my current favorite lip glosses. And I got another lip gloss which was by Sugar. So I've never tried the lip glosses and this one is in the shade Mood, 01 Mood, and the packaging is pretty minimal. मतलब I last one got Tipsy Beauty का lip gloss and इसकी और इसकी packaging in terms of the bottle is very similar, but this one is like a brighter shade in like थोड़ा सा orangish nudish color में and I do like how it looks. So मैं अपने पिछले वाले lip gloss के ऊपर ही top कर लेती हूँ उसे. Everyday kind of look, this lip gloss is perfect. However, I'm not very impressed with this one like the Makeup Revolution one because if I use a Maybelline Lifter lip gloss and no lip gloss beats normal regular lip glosses for me. But this one is okay if you don't have the budget because the Maybelline one is good 800 rupees. Then you can definitely go for this one because this is just 400 rupees and literally half of it. So yeah. I got one more item, and that's a pair of flats. So I wanted a pair of white flats. It's very, very long, and this one was by this brand Shootopia. But the size is unfortunately small for me. I ordered my size only, but this is quite small for me. But I love the pattern and like a very basic pattern. But I really wanted to wear this, but since it's not fitting me, I have already ordered like a replacement, and maybe in the next haul, जब मैं next month के favorites करूँगी, I'm gonna show you the white footwear that I ordered. But this one doesn't fit me, and this is something that I wanted to show in my monthly favorites, but unfortunately, I don't know how, because I have ordered Shootopia के heels पहले. I've worn so many of their heels, and it's always perfect. Like I know my size for them, but for flats, for some reason, it just didn't work out, and that's okay. I feel, because we can always exchange and try some other item. So yeah, guys, these were all the items that I recently got from Amazon, and if I have to pick my favorite, because इसमें से काफी favorites तो हैं ही जो मैंने आपको skincare and beauty में दिखाया. All of them are monthly favorites, but that cleansing oil and the Makeup Revolution का lip gloss, these two have stolen the show for me. They are too good of a product, and ज़रूर से try करना. I have already mentioned the links in the description box in the comments, so don't forget to check it out. And I hope you guys like it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also the bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. I'm gonna see you guys super soon with another video. Until then, bye. Take care.